Okay, let us continue the in-text questions on page number 110, and this is the third in-text question. I will read the question. A trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeters per second square. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after the start? So it is starting, the trolley is starting from rest. It will always start from rest. So initial velocity, since it is at rest, initial velocity is 0. Acceleration given is 2 centimeters per second square. And they have asked to calculate its velocity after 3 seconds. So time is 3 seconds. You know u, you know a, you know t. You have to calculate the final velocity. So v is equal to, you can use u plus at. U is 0 plus acceleration is 2 centimeters per second square. Time is 3. So 0 plus 2 3s are 6. 0 plus 6 is 6 centimeters per second. This will be its final velocity, or the velocity 3 seconds after the start. So this will be the final answer of this question. That is third in text question on page number 110. Now we will see the fourth in text question. A racing car has a uniform acceleration of 4 meters per second square. What distance will it cover in 10 seconds after start? So here also racing car is starting. So it will start from rest. So initial velocity is 0 because it is starting from rest. Acceleration is 4 meters per second square. And the time they have said is 10 seconds. We have to calculate the distance traveled. Distance traveled s is equal to ut plus half at square. You can use this formula. So u is 0, time is 10 seconds, plus half as it is, acceleration is 4 meters per second square, then t square, t is 10, so 10 square. So 0 into 10 is 0, plus half, okay, 4, 10 square is 100. You can cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. And 2 into 100 will be 200 meters. So this will be the distance it covers 10 seconds after the start. I will read the fifth question. A stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction with a velocity of 5 meters per second. If the acceleration of the stone during its motion is 10 meters per second square in the downward direction, what will be the height attained by the stone and how much time will it take to reach there? Okay, so here the stone is thrown in a vertically upward direction like this here. And when any object is thrown vertically upwards, okay, it will reach its maximum height, and at the maximum height its final velocity becomes 0, and again it starts falling down. So whenever an object is thrown vertically upwards, it travels in the upward direction, and when it reaches its maximum height, its velocity becomes 0, and again it starts falling down. So if an object is thrown vertically upwards, its final velocity is 0. So initial velocity with which it is thrown upwards is 5 meters per second. The acceleration is 10 meters per second square in the downward direction. Here, because the stone is traveling in the upward direction, acceleration is in the downward direction. So take acceleration is equal to minus 10 meters per second square, because the direction of motion of the stone and the acceleration due to gravity both are in the opposite direction. So take it as negative. And whenever a thrown is thrown upwards, final velocity is 0. So to calculate the distance traveled, let us use 2as is equal to v square minus u square. 2, a is minus 10, s as it is, v is 0, 0 square, u is 5, 5 square. So 2 into 10 is 20, minus 20 s, 0, 0 square is 0, 5 square is 25. So minus 20 s is equal to 0 minus 25 is minus 25. So s is equal to minus 25 upon minus 20. You can cancel 5 5s are 5 4s are. Minus upon minus is plus. If you divide this, you get 1.25 meters. So if you divide this, you get 1.25 meters. This will be the height attained by the stone. Now we will have to calculate the time it takes to reach over there. So to calculate the height reached by the stone, you can use v is equal to u plus at. So v is 0, final velocity is 0, u is 5 meters per second, plus a is minus 10 and t. So 0 is equal to 5, plus into minus is minus 10t. So you can bring minus 10t this side, it becomes plus 10t. What remains on the other side is just 5. So 10t is equal to 5, or t is equal to 5 upon 10. You can cancel 1 1s are 1 2s are, sorry 5 1s are 5 2s are. So it becomes 1 by 2 or half seconds. So it just takes half seconds to reach the maximum height. So this will be the answer for this question. And in the next class, we will just start with uniform circular motion and then finish up the lesson in the next class itself, and then we will see few exercises given behind the lesson. Okay, take down all these notes, okay, and like and share this.